Hello friends, I'm going to start the illustration 12 of CMA Final SFM. This is the illustration of foreign exchange and risk management. This is the one of the most important. You will have very good confidence after studying this illustration. Okay, please read the illustration here. Please look at here illustration. Illustration 12. Your company has to make a USA dollar 10 million payment in 3 months time dollar available now. You decided to invest them for the 3 months and you are given the following information: USA deposit interest rate 8%, the sterling deposit rate 10%, spot exchange rate is this, 3 months forward rate is this. Where should you company invest in better results? And these are the questions. Please try to understand. The information is not given one company is of which one other country, but because of a sterling pound deposit rate is given here, a sterling pound deposit rate, that is the UK company. So suppose here there is a UK company and other is a USA company. There are two companies. Okay, this company have to pay dollar 10 lakh after 3 months. After 3 months, this money is already available right now. Available right now. Already available right now. This company wants to invest the same amount either in USA or in UK for 3 months. For 3 months, time period is for 3 months. Then it is asking to you, where should you company invest for the better result? Where should you invest for the better result? This is suppose A, this is suppose B, this is suppose C, this is suppose D. Where should you invest? Then what you have to do, you have to invest in USA as well as you have to invest in UK, and you have to see amount after 3 months which has the best, which has the highest, that is there it is better to invest. Okay, now answer of A part. Evaluation of investment decision in UK, in USA assume. Interest rate dollar. What is the interest rate dollar? 10% per annum. Amount to invest dollar 10 lakh. Amount after 3 months dollar 10 lakh. 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12 into 3, dollar 10 lakh 1.02 dollar 10,20,000. You will have amount due to investment in USA dollar 10,20,000. Now evaluation of investment in UK. Evaluation of investment in UK. Please try to understand UK. Pound sterling deposit rate is 10%. 10%. A spot rate. A spot rate. Pound 1 equal to dollar 1.80. You have available dollar 10 lakh first you have to convert this pound into dollar, the step 1. Dollar you have to convert in pound. Equivalent pound for dollar 10 lakh at a spot rate dollar 1.80 equal to pound 1, dollar 10 lakh equal to pound 1 upon 1.80 into 10 lakh. You have 5,55,500, this 54. Now you have to calculate step 2. Step 2, amount after 3 months due to investment in UK. Pound you had 5,55,500, this 55. 1 plus 0.10 divided by 12 into 3, 5,55,550, this 1.025, 1.025, that equal to pound 5,69,444.44. Please this. Okay. This amount, please try to understand. In this case, this was in dollar, you have to compare with this, and amount come in pound. To compare, both should be in the same currency. That's why that pound you have to convert into the dollar at 3-month forward rate, because of this is a 3-month forward rate. Now step 3, equivalent dollar for pound 5,69,444.44 at 3-month forward rate. Pound 1 equal to dollar 1.78, 1.78, pound 5,69,444.44 into dollar 1.78 into 5,69,444. This amount in dollar 10 lakh 13,611.11. Now look at here. USA investment you received due to USA investment, amount after 3 months. What was the amount after 3 months due to investment in USA? 10,20,000. 10,20,000. Okay, you write here dollar 10,20,000 due to investment in UK. Amount after 3 months dollar 10 lakh 13,600, this Which one is best? USA investment is best. In this case, USA investment is best. USA investment is best decision. USA investment is best decision. Okay, this is the USA investment. Okay, now next question. In next question, what is the next question you have? You have completed a part. Now look at it. Assuming that the interest rates and spot exchange rates remain the same. Interest rate and spot exchange rate remain the same as above. What forward rate at equilibrium? What should be the forward rate at equilibrium? It means what? Look at it. Answer of B part. Okay. The forward rate is not in equilibrium because if a forward rate was in equilibrium, then there would be no difference whether investment in UK or investment in USA. That's why forward rate is not in equilibrium. Now question is going to ask if a spot rate and interest rate of USA, interest rate of UK are same. In that case, what should be the equilibrium forward rate? What should be the forward rate at which there is no difference whether investment in USA or investment in UK? Okay, now look at it, please here. A spot rate pound 1 equal to dollar 1.80. Interest rate of dollar 8%. Interest rate of pound 10%. Calculation of 3-month forward rate at equilibrium. This is also said to IRPT, interest rate parity theorem. IRPT, interest rate parity theorem. I have explained very good manner in concept class of interest rate parity theorem. Interest rate parity theorem. Okay, please try to understand IRPT, interest rate parity theorem. This is the forward rate upon a spot rate. 1 plus interest of the other currency, 1 plus interest of the same currency. Please try to understand. What is 1 plus interest? This is the currency. This is the interest of that currency. This is the interest of that currency, which is a number of unit. Which is a number of unit. In this case, this is a number of unit. This is a single unit. Interest rate of number of unit. That is interest rate of dollar. Here interest rate of pound. Okay, the dollar interest rate is 0.08 divided by 12 into 3. The pound interest rate is 0.078, sorry 0.0801010, that equal to look at it, 0.10 divided by 12 into 3. That is the spot rate. This you have to find. Forward rate upon a spot rate whole divided by this spot rate is already given. You have, look at a spot rate is 1.80. 1.80. 1 plus 0.02, 1 plus 0.025, that is 3-month forward rate. Pound 1 equal to 1.02, 1.025 into 1.80, that equal to 1.025. this 1.79, 1.7912, that equal to pound 1 equal to dollar 1.7912. This is the 3-month forward. Okay, on the basis of we can understand this, answer of part A can be given as answer of part B. Answer of part A can be given. This is the observations I am going to write here. This is the observation. Okay. We can also give, this is your observation. Observation. This is not a part of solution. This is not a part of, just I am going to make you understand for correct understanding. Okay. Look at it. A spot rate was pound 1 equal to dollar 1.8, 1.80, dollar 1.80. Okay. Now look at it. Interest rate of dollar equal to 8%. Interest rate of pound equal to 10%. As per interest rate parity theorem, the currency having high interest rate, as per interest rate parity theorem, the currency having high interest rate will depreciate in future. As per interest rate parity theorem, the currency having high interest rate will depreciate in future. Okay. Okay. Because the pound interest rate is 10% higher than the interest rate of dollar, that's why pound will depreciate. That's why pound will depreciate, and pound will depreciate at equilibrium. Equilibrium. Pound should be depreciate 3-month forward rate. Pound 1 point, dollar 1 point, what equilibrium? 7912. 7912. Given 3-month forward rate, pound 1 equal to dollar 1.78. Pound 1 equal to dollar 1.78. Please try to understand. Because of high interest rate of pound, please try to understand in this case. Because of high interest rate of pound, pound will depreciate. Okay, but pound will be depreciate up to here only. Pound is depreciate up to here only. Pound will have been depreciate up to here only. Okay, but pound has been depreciated in the given questions. Pound has been depreciated up to here. Pound has been depreciated up to here. This depreciation is excess depreciation of pound. Excess depreciation of pound. Then equilibrium. Then equilibrium. Excess depreciation of pound then equilibrium. Therefore, we cannot invest in the country. We cannot invest in the country, that is the UK, which currency has been depreciated. Which currency has been depreciated more than the equilibrium. Which currency has been depreciated more than the equilibrium. The answer of part A can be given on the basis of this also. Answer of part A can be given on the basis of this also. So why you cannot invest in the UK company? Because given 3-month forward rate, in given 3-month forward rate, pound has been depreciated more than the equilibrium. Pound has been depreciated more than the equilibrium. Okay, if the pound by 3-month forward rate pound was this, then whether investment in USA or investment in UK, it does not make any difference. It does not make any difference. In the given case, pound has been depreciated more than the equilibrium given forward rate. That's why UK investment cannot be better decision. Okay, so you can write here, this is not a part of your answer, just this is a for your understanding. Either you can give the first part answer or you can give this answer. Both answer you cannot give. Okay, now please write observation. Here I am going to write answer of A from the results of second. Answer of A from the result of the second. Please try to understand this. Since interest rate of pound equal to 10%, which is higher than interest rate of dollar 8%. Hence, pound will depreciate. And depreciation of pound at equilibrium dollar 1 equal to pound 1 equal to dollar 1.7912, but in actual pound actual for 3 month forward rate pound has been depreciated up to 1.78, which is more than the equilibrium, which is more than equilibrium, Therefore, we should not invest in the country therefore we cannot invest in the country whose currency has been depreciated more than equilibrium. Hence, investment in UK, that equal to in pound, is not better decision. That is, investment in USA is better decision. That I have given. In part A. Part A, what solution was? Investment in USA was better decision. Why USA was better decision? Because of UK currency has been depreciated more than the equilibrium. USA currency premium is more. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, the answer of first part, that is A part, can be given from the answer of second part as well. Okay, you can give the answer of A part, either I have solved in part A or in the part of B. Both you can't give. Okay, beta? Let's go. Now, the third part. What is the third part of the questions? Now, third part of the questions. Look at it. Third part. C part. Assuming that USA interest rate and spot forward rates remain the same, originally questions, where should it invest in the sterling pound deposit at 14%? 14%. It means what? in the place of 10%, if in the place of 10% interest rate is going to be 14%, in this case you have to compare where you should invest. The same way you have to do. This is already you have done, you don't need to do. Okay, now this you have converted because of the spot rate remain the same. This is also the same. Now amount after 3 months due to investment in UK, this you need to calculate. You need to calculate, and in the place of 10%, you have to keep in 14%. In the place of 10%, you have to keep in 14%, and step 2 and step 3 you need to calculate. Okay, what is asking here? Please try to understand. A spot rate pound 1 equal to $1.80, it is okay. 3 month forward rate pound 1 equal to $1.78 is also okay. Interest rate of dollar 8%. Interest rate of pound is 14%. Okay, now where it should be invest for better results? Now we have calculated from part A. Amount received from USA investment, from USA investment $10,20,000. It is already calculated. Evaluation of investment in UK, step 1, equivalent pound for $10 lakh at a spot rate $1.80 equal to pound 1, $10 lakh pound 1.80 into 10 lakh, that is pound 5,55,555.55. This much we had already done. Okay, now this amount has been invested at the rate of 14%. Step 2, amount after 3 months due to investment in UK, at the rate of 14%. This 1 plus 0.14 divided by 12 into 3, this amount into 3, 5,75,000. Step 3, equivalent dollar for pound 5,75,000 at the rate of equivalent dollar for pound 5,75,000 at the rate of $1.78 pound 1 equal to dollar this pound 5,75,000 dollar 1.78 into 5,75,000 10 lakh 23,500 10 lakh 23,500. In this case, amount after 3 months due to investment in UK, amount after 3 months due to investment in UK is 10 lakh 23,000. 10 lakh 23,000. Please try to understand. 10 lakh 23,000. And due to investment in USA, 10 lakh 20,000. In this case, UK investment is better because UK investment is given higher. UK investment is given higher. How can you give the answer? UK investment is better decision. UK investment is better decision. UK investment is better decision. Okay, do you understand? Now, part C has been completed. Now, part 4 I am going to do. Part D. See the question here. Look. Part D. With the originally stated as spot rate, forward rate, dollar deposit interest rate, what should be the equilibrium sterling pound deposit rate? Sterling pound deposit rate. Please try to understand. In the given question, a spot rate is the same. Pound 1 equal to dollar 1.80. 3-month forward rate is the same. 1 upon dollar 1.78. Interest rate of dollar is also same. Now it is asking what should be the pound interest rate. This is also same, that equal to 8%. Now what should be the this? What should be this? At equilibrium, what should be the interest rate of pound at equilibrium? What should be the interest rate of the pound at equilibrium? Interest rate of pound you have to calculate at equilibrium. Okay, interest rate of the pound you have to calculate at equilibrium. Please try to understand. Calculation of interest rate of pound at equilibrium, that is interest rate parity theorem. Interest rate parity theorem as per interest rate parity theorem. Please try to understand. What is formula you have? Forward rate, a spot rate, 1 plus interest other currency, 1 plus interest the same currency, 1 plus interest rate. In this case, interest rate of the currency, which is a number of unit, In this case, dollar has a number of unit. That's why interest rate of dollar is written here. Here, interest rate of pound, that in 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12 into 3, 1 plus x divided by 12 into 3. Now forward rate you have 1.78, 1.80, 1.01 plus 0.02, 1 plus x divided by 4, or 1.78 divided by 1.80 equal to 1.78 02 1 plus x divided by 4, 1.0 to 1.80 whole divided by 1.78, or x divided by 4 equal to 1.0346 minus 1, 0.0341146, or x equal to 0.03146 into 4, that equal to 0.1258, or x equal to 12.58%. X equal to 12.5%. That is equilibrium interest rate of pound, 12.58%. Equilibrium interest rate of pound is 12.58%. Look at it. What this means, what observation you have observed from this part. Please try to understand here. This is a very important question, very logical question. You must have to revise these questions before exam and try to understand each and every concept, because of you have learned from these questions a lot of concept of interest rate parity theorem, as well as interest covered arbitrage. Please try to understand. Observation, this is not a part of your answer. Your question has been completed. Just I am trying to make you understand. Okay, yeah. Observation, please try to understand in this question. A spot rate pound 1 equal to 1.78, 1.80, sorry, 80. 3-month forward rate pound 1 equal to $1.78. Please try to understand. Earlier in a spot, the price of pound is 1.80. Now the price of pound is 1.78. It means the price of pound has been depreciated. Price of pound has been depreciated. Interest rate of dollar. Interest rate of dollar is 8%. Interest rate of 8%. Interest rate of dollar is 8%. Please, the case first. I am going to make you understand. Case first. A. Interest rate of dollar was 8%. Interest rate of pound was 10%. Equilibrium interest rate of pound. What is the equilibrium interest of 12.58%? 12.58%. Please try to understand. Equilibrium interest rate 12.58%. 12.58%. In part, look at it. This is the part A. This is the part B. Case C. Case C I am going to make you understand. Interest rate of dollar 8%. Interest rate of pound, that equal to 14%. Look at it. In this case, look at it. Equilibrium interest rate. Equilibrium interest rate of pound 12.58%. Please try to understand this, what this means. What this means? If a spot rate is this and 3 month forward rate is this, in that case, interest rate of pound, if interest rate of pound is this, then there is no any difference whether investment is done in USA or UK. No any difference, investment done in UK or USA. But interest rate of pound should be 12.58% at this spot rate and this spot rate. At this spot rate and this 3 month forward rate, interest rate of equilibrium should be 12.58%. 12.58%. If interest rate of pound is lower than 12.5%, as we seen in part 10, lower than 12.5%, then UK investment is not better decision. USA investment is better decision. USA investment is better if interest rate of pound is less than 12.5%, which is seen in part A, okay. But in part C, interest rate of pound is 14%, which is higher than equilibrium interest rate, in this case UK investment is better decision. You have to understand. Please try to understand here. You can give the answer of part A as well as part C. You can give answer of part A as well as part C from the results of the fourth part. Okay. Interest rate of dollar, spot rate, 3 month forward rate, equilibrium interest rate 12.58%. If interest rate of pound is lower than 12.58%, which is seen in part A, case A, that is interest rate of pound was 10%, then USA investment is better decision. UK investment is not better decision, because interest rate of pound at equilibrium should be 12.58%. Wherever interest rate of pound less than 12.58%, then USA investment is better decision. And if interest rate of pound is higher than 12.58%, that is seen in part C, in this case UK investment is better decision. Okay, the same thing I am going to write here. Answer of part A, part C can be given from the results of part D, fourth part, as given a spot rate pound 1 equal to $1.80 and 3 month forward rate pound 1 equal to $1.78, interest rate of 8%, equilibrium interest rate of pound 12.58%. That is, if interest rate of pound is 12.58%, then whether investment is done in USA or UK, it does not make any difference. If interest rate of pound is lower than 12.58%, then UK investment is not better decision. Then UK investment is not better decision. That is USA investment is better decision, which is seen in part A. Part A. If interest rate of pound more than 12.58%, then UK investment is better decision. That is UK investment is better decision, which is seen in part C. पार्ट सी, पार्ट सी। ये बात आपको मैंने ऑब्जर्वेशन में बताया। आप फोर्थ पार्ट के आंसर से आप सी पार्ट का आंसर दे सकते हैं और सी पार्ट के साथ साथ आप सी पार्ट का आंसर दे सकते हैं और ए पार्ट का आंसर दे सकते हैं। दिस इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन। इन दिस वे आई हैव कंप्लीटेड द concept of this question. This is the most important concept for your questions. You must revise example, illustration 11 and 12. These are the most important questions. Okay, thank you class. Next example I will do in next class. Okay, thank you class.